haya riu kai Stacy wa digital kana mwari wa Kirumba nyarikitie gutumwo njuiri atige guhana ka boy arahana ka boy hahama njoguo wa Kirumba aramwira atume njuiri na atige wana ucio naguo na aramurihira saruni tareke tuigue haha.
Stacy nimemuona.
Stacy wa digital, good morning.
Good morning.
Yo,
what's up? What's good?
One.
Umeshuka nywele?
Iso vipi?
Tukufiche ama tukuonyeshane?
Tufiche, tutafanya lounge. Bishop JJ araugira aterere. Tare hado tongethokoma.
Okaronjo December.
Tukalaunch December.
You look like a bouncing baby girl.
Stop.
You are, before it was a bouncing baby boy girl. Now you look like a bouncing baby girl.
Thank you.
Thanks to who?
To Mama, of course. She's like, this is Shuka. Unakaje?
Raya nate hata kahi.
Adana mwira maito meki hana ari mweka hi kosa ikarite thuke muona ginya. At least mune ona riu pio ne kadingi.
Kachebukati. Kachebukati. Era kaumaraga. Kwa tufiche tusitoe.
Tufiche kwanza.
You are right.
Yes.
We respect your opinion.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Tukufiche, tutakulaunch.
Tutalaunch.
Karibu nisikie Pastor Bishop Ben akisema medega. Namenya nyara dago thokoma na pesa.
Okay, azokie.
You ready for the week?
Yes, I am.
You sure?
I am very ready. Weekend ya kwirare njega bio. Ndathire gwa coco.
Riu kai Stacy ndari hana kahiri ngi riu hana lady kana mutumia riu arume matirona toro nyondo wa njuiri no ya Stacy wa digital matirakoma haya muko ona wa Kirumba inyui ni redigite gwa Nyandarua Ngai ndamuhoya mu subscribe ndimane hagire cai haha cai.